In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Logitech G Hub stuck on loading screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to address any issues that you have with Logitech G Hub not working, either because you are stuck on the loading screen or it doesn't detect your devices. So I'm going to start with some simple fixes. What I recommend is that you open Task Manager, so right-click your taskbar, go into the Task Manager and find Logitech G Hub. From here, end the task. So look for G Hub and end anything related to the software, the updaters, the agents, anything that you see here. Now try reopening G Hub itself. If it doesn't work right away, then what I recommend is that you actually launch G Hub as an administrator. So find where G Hub is installed on your computer. So for me, it is here on Program Files. Look for the G Hub executable, right-click, and then run as administrator. This will essentially run the G Hub software as normal, however, you will have the administrator privileges, and sometimes this can bypass issues related to loading screens. If it still does not work, I would recommend restarting your computer, so if you are willing to, go ahead and restart your PC. If it still does not work, something else to check is your internet connection. Make sure that it is stable and running properly, because it will need to connect to the internet to gather the necessary drivers and updates. And your firewall or antivirus might be blocking G Hub. So if you have Windows Defender, or if you go over to Windows Security, you can check if it tried to block the G Hub software. So you can go over to Protection History and then see if it appears under the list of blocked applications. If it still does not work, I would simply reinstall G Hub. So go into the settings of Windows, look for apps, installed apps, find G Hub, and then uninstall completely. Now you can go over to the official G Hub website and download it again. I'm not going to do the process in full, but it is easy to follow. After you uninstall, you just download it from here. If it still does not work, I would recommend looking for older versions of G Hub that are stable. So you won't be able to download older versions from the Logitech website, but you can find it in other places. So you just download it from there and then run the executable as usual, and this should give you access to the software. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Logitech G Hub stuck on loading screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.